Have you ever heard of the VSTACK function? It's a bit like using copy and paste, but doing it with a formula instead. In my workbook, I've got 3 tables on separate worksheets, and I'd like to combine all 3 tables into one table using the VSTACK function. From the Formulas tab, Lookup and Reference category, you'll find VSTACK. You can also find it via the Insert function. Now in the Function Arguments dialog box, in Array 1, I'll move to the Fruit sheet and select the whole table. In Array 2, on the Vegetable sheet, I'll select all of the data except the headings. And in Array 3, from the Herbs sheet, I'll select all the data from there. You can have up to 254 ranges combined into one table. I'll select OK, and now here's my data. The formula is in A1 and it has spilled across into the adjacent cells as necessary. If you were to select any other cell inside the table, you might notice the formula is greyed out. You can't edit it and you can't delete it. You can only edit the cell A1. Now as a final step, I'm going to select the whole table using Ctrl A. I'm going to copy it using Ctrl C, and then I'll use another shortcut to paste the data on top of itself and remove the formula. Ctrl Shift V. And there you go. I've created one table from 3 separate worksheets. Just so you know, there is a HStack function, which is more or less the same as a VStack, except it will bring together horizontal data rather than vertical data. Wonderful.